Introducing the HAPPRUN 510G Projector offers a smart cinema experience with 1080p, Full HD, 4K support, HDR 10+, Google TV, Netflix, and up to 200-inch projection for immersive entertainment. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the HAPPRUN 510G Projector, power cord, AV cable, HDMI cable, remote control, user manual. Product overview. Remote control button function. How to pair. Take off the lens cover and connect the power adapter to an outlet. To power on the projector, plug in the power cord. The power light will show red. Wait for 5 seconds, then press the power button. The power light will turn blue, indicating that the projector is powered on. To enter standby mode during use, press the power button once. To power off the projector, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Turn on the projector and wait for the pairing prompt to appear on the screen. Bring the remote control within 0.33 feet/10 centimeters of the projector, then simultaneously press and hold the designated pairing buttons. Wait until the pairing process is completed. How to connect. Connect a USB drive. Connect AV video devices. Connect 3.5mm audio devices. HDMI connection. Wi-Fi connection. Google Assistant. Google Cast, how to use the AirScreen app. BT speaker mode. How to use. Follow the steps on the screen to choose your preferred language. Select your correct region, sign in with your Google account, or set up basic TV. In different angle, you put the projector. The projection will deformation like a trapezoid. Use the Keystone correction to make it correctly. manual keystone correction, image scaling, projector settings, color temperature, reset, system and product info. Smart features? Delivers crisp and detailed images with 1920 by 1080 resolution for a clear viewing experience. Enjoy sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and enhanced details for movies, gaming, and presentations. Provides built-in access to popular streaming services, including Netflix, YouTube, and more. Enjoy seamless entertainment with an easy-to-use smart interface without needing additional streaming devices. Enhances picture quality with improved contrast, deeper colors, and better brightness levels. Experience more realistic and detailed visuals with supported 4K content. Delivers bright and clear images with enhanced visibility, making it suitable for home theaters, bedrooms, and low-light environments. Enjoy vibrant colors and improved picture clarity. Enables fast wireless streaming, smooth screen mirroring, and stable connections with Bluetooth speakers, headphones, and other compatible devices for a convenient viewing experience. Creates an immersive cinema-like viewing experience with a wide display size, making movies, games, and presentations more engaging for home entertainment setups. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your HAPPRUN 510G projector. See you in the next one.